Have you ever heard of FODMAPs? This is episode 8 of Good Guts and I'm going to introduce you to them. FODMAPs are a group of fermentable carbohydrates found in foods like onions, garlic, apples, wheat, beans and more. In the small intestine, FODMAPs move slowly and attract water, then they move to the large intestine where they're fermented by gut bacteria. This can cause gas, bloating and discomfort for some FODMAP sensitive people. Now onions we love for their nutrition, but they're one of the highest FODMAP foods. But here's the good news, pickling can help people's tolerance to them. By slicing red onion and soaking in a solution of apple cider vinegar, water and salt, the fructans, which are the main FODMAP in onions, leach out into the brine. For those with FODMAP intolerance, this means that you can still enjoy some of that beautiful sweet tangy onion flavour, but without quite as much of the digestive drama. And about my friends, this is my Good Guts food hack.